Jay with Texas Yak Bassin here. Kristian decided to come down, pick me up in his Nissan. My truck sitting at this body shop. There's nice bars there. We're going to do a video on how he made those. But we'll be fishing the dam and all around the island. We're going to see what we can catch. All my stuff is in the truck at the body shop. So if you don't see me wearing my PFD, I got an old school PFD right behind me. That's what it is. I'm a fat man, I can swim, don't take it for granted. I will be putting it on as soon as I get in the water, but it may not be on me at all times. It's uncomfortable. It's not really geared for fishing. It's just an old school life jacket that I had. Let's see what we got. He's showing. Looky there.
You gotta get yourself one of those stickers.
Gotta get a sticker, brother. Texas Yak Bassin. Where we got him at here? Where we got him at here? Got him right there. That's how. So he's normally fishing North Carolina area. He's down from, what was it, Fort Bragg?
Yep.
He's down from Fort Bragg. Just got out of the military, so we're gonna take him out on the water here today. He's used to freshwater, saltwater. He's fished a couple tournaments. Posted his pictures on Texas Yak Bassin Facebook page, and we're gonna see what we can catch.
Woo! Good old Texas bass right there. I've been missing her. I told myself too. I was like, I told myself I was gonna give it one more cast. Then I'm gonna switch baits. Yeah. Right there, buddy. Yeah. Nice little fish. Jay. That's another good one. There you go. Yep. Go right there in front of me. Right there in front of me. Those chasing. Dude, the bigger ones are chasing these. Holy bro, this is so. Hey, yes. There's more. Bro, you should have saw. Bro, the one that chased it was like this fucking big, bro. Bro. Yeah, the bigger one was chasing this one, chasing this. Dude. There we go. I got a nice little limit now.